Bros and hams, bros, bro hams, and of course, ladies, welcome back to an episode of Minecraft Bedwars. I should probably eat a gavel. If you guys have read the title, which you probably did because you clicked on this video, unless you just saw like, hey, I uploaded, I'm gonna click on it, which probably no one did, just saying. You should know, I don't really know what I'm gonna be doing with YouTube, because like, I don't know. That did not work. That didn't work either. Why did that not work? Oh, that was scary. I'm scared. He's jumping off. Yeah, I'm gonna go back. If you guys have read the title, then you probably, like, are confused. I don't know if you are or not. I don't really know. But anyway, I don't really know what I'm doing with this channel. I mean, there's just, like, if you saw my upload schedule, it's just not really going the greatest. I haven't uploaded in, like, a week or two. So yeah, there's a couple reasons of why I haven't been uploading. This guy's probably gonna like get me somehow. Go away, you're dead now. I'm gonna block him off of there, so it takes him a little while. Oh, he has shears. Okay, if you have shears, it doesn't really work that way, but got him anyway. I'm the best. So there's a couple of reasons of why I've really just stopped playing Minecraft in general, and that's just because the game is just way too easy. Like, I haven't played Bedwars in so long, and I'm doing this well. Like, it's just sad. I mean, Bedwars just needs an official rank system. Like, I know there's like ranked Bedwars, but come on, who plays that? You are stupid, Gray. Bye, Gray. Are you gonna fireball me back? Are you gonna say something in chat? No idea. He disconnected. That's even better. Yeah, so Bedwars just needs an official rank system, like Hypixel. They need to make like Rank Skywars, but with Bedwars. It just needs to be a new level of difficulty. Like, it's just too easy. Like, it's just, come on, Hypixel, you gotta do something with this. Like, yeah, there's ranked Bedwars, but then that's like Discord Bedwars. Like, it's weird. Like, I don't know. It's just like, I don't know. It's just weird. Like, do you guys agree? I think it is. Just like, no, I'd rather just play a different game. And that's what I've been doing. I've been playing Rocket League. Now, I've made a couple Rocket League videos on this channel. My bed got broken. But anyway, I made a couple Rocket League videos on this channel. They didn't really do too well, so I stuck to Minecraft. But I may actually just go full-time to Rocket League, because it's just such a more enjoyable game to play. And the player base is so much bigger. Like, they just got Rocket League to go free to play, and now there's so many more players, and it's the greatest thing ever. So if I were to make a YouTube channel for Rocket League, there would just be more people to play against and more people that would watch my content. It's just a win-win. I don't know where this blue guy went, so if I go to mid and try to find him, he'll probably fireball me off. But that's a risk I'm willing to take. I actually could fall off speed bridging. I have not speed bridged in like a million years. And it's fine. See, the game mode is just too easy. I haven't played this game in so long, and I've already won. Oh, I guess it's Halloween time. There's a trick or yeet. That's not what it was before. It was trick or treat, and now it's just cringe. Yep, someone said yeet in the chat, so I think I'm gonna not be there anymore. Yeah, so I guess this video will more be like dedicated to why I'm continuing to play Bedwars and doing a YouTube channel on Bedwars. Okay, sir, what are you doing? Oh, I'm lagging. That brings me to my, oh wait, no, that's, never mind. That's a reason of why I would not stay. Ah, okay, there's a guy there. He's gonna jump over. I'm just gonna hit him off. No, he's gonna jump off. Okay. So one thing of why I want to keep playing Minecraft and doing YouTube for Minecraft, specifically Bedwars, is just, it's for a couple reasons. One of it which is just, that's what I kind of started YouTube on. So the fans I do have, they're fairly loyal. I mean, I'll make a video and it'll get like 60 views of people just clicking on it to click on it, and 60 is like half the views I get per video, and half of those are from like viewers, which I mean that's pretty, I feel like that's a pretty good amount. I mean, I have like, that's like 1/10 of my subscribers are loyal, which I don't think you get for most channels. I don't have enough blocks. Yeah, so I'm pretty grateful of this fans I've acquired from doing YouTube, or just playing my, yeah, I guess, yeah, doing YouTube. I mean, I feel like that's really good. A 10. I think I've strained on this idea long enough. So my second idea is that my channel is growing, even though I have not been playing Bedwars or doing YouTube on Bedwars, doing YouTube at all. I am still getting like a sub a day, which is pretty good, especially for not doing anything. This guy's coming over, trying to like, so if he comes over, I'm just gonna like hit him off with a knockback stick. Goodbye. That's a sweaty move. He's gonna do the same thing again, isn't he? Yes, he is indeed. They extended this. Why'd they extend this map so big? That was so weird. Oh shoot, this guy's gonna kill me. He's actually decent. Dead. Okay, I have nothing. I have no gaps on me. I do. I just have 8 in the map. You don't have diamond armor though, so I think I'm fine. I just kind of need that to blow up, and boom. Boom. Yeah, another thing is why I'm continuing to do YouTube is because I enjoy doing YouTube. Like, it's just a fun thing to do. This guy is really mad that I am getting diamond armor. No, I fell off. No, I'm stupid. I'm dumb. I could have pearled to diamond gen. I haven't played this game in a long time. Okay, shut up. Who put that there? Yeah, so I like making YouTube videos. I like editing. I like putting the videos out. You guys seem to enjoy them. Like, when I make a montage and I make it really well, they get like 1,000 views. They're just like, I get good feedback on them, and it just makes me want to continue doing this even longer. But I just don't know. This guy has 4 emeralds, which is not good. And dead. I don't know what I said, but I meant to say I have 4 emeralds. So if this guy kills me, like, it would be bad. I think I said he has 4 emeralds. My bad. The last reason that I think I would stick to Minecraft is because Rocket League is just way too ping heavy. And I'll explain what I mean by that. So in my internet, it's not good. Right now, I'm actually getting really low ping, which is incredible. Where'd the pink guy go? He disconnected. How many people are gonna disconnect? So annoying. But anyway, Rocket League's just way too ping oriented. Like, I have 66 ping right now. If I get that in Rocket League, I just literally cannot do good. Because that means like 66 milliseconds go by that are like basically frozen. I'm pretty sure that's what ping means. But basically, that's just too much time to like... Is this guy AFK? Well, it's just way too much time to like have doing nothing, because I play at such a high level that so many things can happen in such little time. And 4 players disconnected. Oh my gosh. Oh, you are back. Are you gonna try to kill me? Bonk. Look how many gapples I can get with all this nothingness. I just have to wait for Ping's bed to get destroyed. Unless I like pearl over to every possible place and like see if I can get there fast enough. I somehow got there fast enough. So this last game we'll be talking about the resolutions. I think that's the right word for it. But basically the way to solve the problems I'm facing. This guy, he's just gonna do something stupid. Yep, I spoke correctly, and you have no internet, and you should be dead. Thank you. Blue, what? Blue went to go side rush me at the last second. He could have got my bed, but he just decided, hey, let me just not, which I'm pretty thankful for. But also, why were you side rushing me? You're gonna pay for that. You have this nice bridge here. You're gonna die now. So one easy fix to this is just stop doing YouTube all entirely, which I just don't think that's a good idea, because that just seems like a not good idea. Like, I don't think you guys would like that idea. I don't think I would like that idea. It's just not a good idea. So that's gonna be a no. Yeah, this guy, I'm gonna wait for this guy to, oh, he's disconnected. Everyone's disconnecting. Another idea I would also have is to make a second channel for Rocket League. This guy's over here. I'm just gonna go down here. Try to get these diamonds, see what he does. Let me just yes, get that. That's what I want. Oh my gosh, he's just gonna build, isn't he? He's one of those people. He fell. So another idea I had was to make a second channel for Rocket League, because I don't know, maybe people would want to play Rocket League. Okay, that guy, he's gonna die. And he's dead. If I can hit this guy off, I can get his bed, but that's not gonna work. How many times this guy can get minor fatigue? I thought there was like a limit. Pretty sure there is. I'm so bad. I'm so bad. Please, Iron Sword, help me out. Please. Thank you. I think I'm gonna go middle, because everyone's base is kind of far away, and I kind of need to make sure no one's coming for me. So I'm gonna go middle. Rocket League just has so many players than Minecraft. Like, Rocket League, I saw it have 1 million players on. In Minecraft, Bedwars only had like 60,000. So I'm pretty sure you guys understand what kind of math I'm doing here. If there's only 60,000 players, even on Hypixel, that's only like 60,000 subscribers, pretty much. I mean, obviously there's more, because not everyone that would subscribe to you is playing at once. But you guys get the point, okay? Okay. Where'd this guy go? And you're dead. So yeah, I'm thinking if I start making Rocket League videos, I'll just have way more subs than if I play Minecraft videos. This guy's gonna TNT me. If I clutch that would be kind of crazy. Well, I can get this, right? If I TNT jump. Come on. Yeah, so another thing that I could do is just start like really trying to make quality videos and then see how far my channel goes. And I'll probably go until I have like a montage or something. I'm not gonna break his bed yet. I still have more to talk about. I should have actually talked more. So yeah, just go. I'll make a montage, see how far my channel goes. If it goes far, I'll continue doing Minecraft. If it doesn't, I'll quit. What else do I have to talk about? Should I get this guy's bed now? I'll say if I get like 1K when the montage comes, then I'll continue doing it. If I get 1K like from the montage, like with the montage included, I'll continue doing YouTube. If it doesn't, I'll switch. I'll still do YouTube, but like for Rocket League. Yeah. I mean, you guys can decide what I should do. I mean, I don't really know. And this is gone. GG. So guys, that's it for me. Since I don't know if I'll be quitting YouTube or not, here's my pack. I'll be giving you guys my specialty packs in the description. So yeah, check them out if you really want to. I also have a little overlay, which is like the sky and the hotbar and text and stuff. So if you guys want this, check it out in the description. Thanks for watching, and like always, catch you on the flip side.